Krishna, one can love Krishna as the omniscient, omnipotent God, the loving master, the dearest friend, the sweetest child, and the supreme lover, become down to the earth to eradicate all evil spirits. Good morning to the president of our school, Father George Varghese, our beloved principal ma'am, Miss Anupama Bhati, our loving teachers, all parents, and all my dearest twinkling star. I, Bhanumati Dodia,
and I, Hideshri Mekwan, welcoming you all in today's Janmashtami celebration.
Do you know why we celebrate Janmashtami? Anyone? Yes? Yes, very good. Okay, so to share more information about Janmashtami, I would like to call Sandhya ma'am for Janmashtami speech. Welcome, Sandhya ma'am.
थैंक यू भानुमति मैम। गोकुल में जिसने किया निवास, उसने गोपियों के संग रचा इतिहास। देव की यशोदा जिनकी मैया, ऐसे ही हमारे कृष्ण कन्हैया। A warm welcome and a hearty good morning to one and all present over here. Myself Sandhya Patel. Today on the occasion of Krishna Janmashtami celebration, I am here to tell you the story of Krishna birth and why we are celebrating the Janmashtami. Once upon a time, there lived a king named Ugrasen. Ugrasen had a son who was the crown prince of Mathura. He was hard-hearted, merciless and cruel man. He dethroned his own father and put him in the jail. Everyone in Mathura was scared of his cruel, wicked nature. Day by day, he was becoming more wicked and he was more doing adharma. And we know there is a verse in Mahabharata said by the Lord Krishna himself, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyudanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham paritranaya sadhuna vinashaya च दुष्कृताम dharma संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. The meaning of the verse is, जब जब इस पृथ्वी पे धर्म की हानि होती है और अधर्म की वृद्धि होती है, तब तब मैं इस पृथ्वी पर अवतार लेता हूँ। सज्जनों और साधुओं की रक्षा के लिए, दुर्जनों और पापियों के विनाश के लिए और धर्म के स्थापना के लिए मैं हर युग में अवतार लेता हूँ। Moving ahead in the story, there was one person whom Kansa loved and adored. That was his sister Devaki, who is a pious and good-natured lady. Devaki's marriage was fixed with a noble man named Vasudeva. After the accomplishment of his marriage, Kansa was escorting his sister to his in-laws' home. When they were on their way, suddenly there was a great voice from the sky. "O cruel Kansa, why are you so happy? Beware! The sister whom you love so much is going to give birth to a son who will destroy you. The eighth son born to Devaki will kill you." On hearing this, Kansa burst into a rage and Kansa said that I'll slay her before she give birth to the eighth child. On listening this, Vasudeva, to save Devaki, said, "Kansa, do you realize what you are going to do? This is injustice. If you spare Devaki's life, I promise you that I'll hand her over every child born to us." Kansa agreed on this and spared Devaki, but he said, "I'll make sure that you give your birth," and then he imprisoned both them in the jail of Mathura. One day, Kansa was sitting in his chamber when he got the news that Devaki has given birth to a child. Kansa immediately went to the prison and snatched away the child from Devaki and caught hold from its leg. Then he dashed it on the wall and killing it at that very moment. After that, Kansa killed the next 5 children in the similar manner. In due course of time, Devaki was pregnant for the 7th time. The 7th child was miraculously carried to Rohini, another wife of Vasudeva, who lived in Gokul. Later, this child was known as Balaram. The guard gave news to Kansa that the seventh child was stillborn. The day came. It was the eighth day in the month of Shravana. A terrible storm arose in the city. Devaki was pregnant with the eighth child. Suddenly Lord Vishnu appeared before them and said, Devaki Vasudev, your wish has been fulfilled and I have taken birth as your child. Vasudev take this child away from here to Gokul and switch with the one born to Nandagopal. Saying so, Lord Vishnu disappeared. At the stroke of midnight, a baby boy was born to Devaki. Vasudev, by looking the baby, said, Look, the chains are fallen off. It is a miracle. Devaki, quick, give me the child and take him to a friend Nanda in Gokul. Taking the baby, Vasudev turned to go. The door of the prison swung open themselves and he found all the guards in the deep sleep. Carefully holding the basket, Vasudev headed towards Gokul. Vasudev was followed by Adishesha, the snake on which Vishnu relied in Vaikuntha. It spread his spout over the child in the basket that Vasudev was carrying over his head. Soon Vasudev reached to the bank of river Yamuna, and to his astonishment, the river parted and gave him the way. Vasudev reached Gokul, where Nandagopal's wife Yashoda has just given birth to a female child. Vasudev placed Krishna in the baby girl's cradle and took her and went back to Mathura. As soon as he was back with the baby girl, the door of the jail closed and waking up the guard. The voice of the baby crying was heard by them. They immediately reported this to Kansa. Kansa came there and again stretched away the baby. By saying this, Vasudeva said, How can a baby girl do any harm to the mighty warrior like you, that the whole world fears? But Kansa was not ready to listen. He tries to throw the baby child, but the baby girl slipped out of his hand and rose up in the air and turned into goddess Durga. She said, Oh wicked Kansa, you have just shown your values by trying to kill a helpless baby. Your destroyer was born to Devaki at midnight and is safe at Gokul. When the time comes, he will come in search of you and punish you for all the evil you have committed. Saying so, Goddess Durga disappeared. Kansa was very much terrified. And when Krishna grew up, he killed Kansa and put an end to his evil. So this was the story of Sri Krishna birth, and this is why we are celebrating the Krishna Janmashtami. So thank you so much.
कृष्ण जिनका नाम, गोकुल जिनका धाम, ऐसे ही भगवान को हम सब करें प्रणाम. That we all pray to God Krishna. For Aarti, I would like to invite Anupama ma'am and all the teachers.
मैडम ओ मैडम स्मिता मैडम
it for the first performance of class 9th and 10th students who are going to perform dance on the song Gori Radha Ne Kado Kan. Please put your hands together to welcome our first performance of this beautiful morning.
थोड़ा सा आवाज पड़ जाओ.
Hello,
forward and be ready to enjoy the dance of our beautiful teachers. They are going to perform a dance on Wo Krishna Hai.
प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोई, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोई। प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोई, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोई। दुनिया से है वो अनजानी, सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी। कृष्णा से मिलती है भूल के हर बंधन। हो कृष्णा की माला की जपती है वो जोगन। राधा वो कृष्णा है, वो कृष्णा है, वो कृष्णा है, कृष्णा है।
हार माखन चुराने आए नंदलाल. Do you know why we break dahi handi on this day? Yes, anyone know why we break dahi handi on this day? ओके, दही हांडी एक भारतीय त्योहार है. यह साल के अगस्त महीने में मनाया जाता है. कुछ लोग, ज्यादातर युवक, इकट्ठे होकर एक मानव पिरामिड बनाते हैं. इसके पश्चात ऊपर एक दही से भरी हांडी लटकी होती है. उसे फोड़ते इस त्योहार के भागीदारों को गोविंदा कहा जाता है. So for break the pot, I would like to call boys from standard 9 and 10.
जो को पढ़े ना पढ़े नहीं એટલું ખાલી જાય
આદિ ગણપતિ